Hello, everybody. Hey, it's the Philippine American couple, and I'm David. In today's video, we are going to show you something that I bought. One of the fun things that we like to do in our household is we buy things and we don't really tell each other what it is until it gets here. And then the other person gets the fun of opening it and figuring out what it is and why we bought it. So that's what we're doing in this video. Now at the end here, I'll come back and talk to you a little bit more about why we purchased it, what we're doing with it, and the reasons for all that good stuff. So for now, just sit back and enjoy my beautiful wife trying to unbox the box. So you can see how Lorelei is playing with her dogs and demonstrating our stairs and our new ramp. So there goes Daisy up the ramp. She seems to like it. So the reason we bought a ramp versus our stairs was with the Wiener dogs. See how long they are? They seem to bow their back getting up and down the stairs. And a lot of times they won't use all the steps. They just jump up or jump over. And even though they're still puppies, we're just worried about their long-term health and concerned about their back problems. So I wanted to get a ramp that had a nice gentle slope to it that makes it easy for them to get up and down versus the stairs. And you can see there where they just kind of jump off of the stairs versus using each and every one of them. I think stairs are great for smaller dogs or shorter dogs, but for our Wiener Dog Girls, I just don't think it works so well. So that's why we bought the ramp. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel. We appreciate you very much.